Hello, my name is Lethany from Class 3B. I want to share my shopping experience. Last Sunday, I went to supermarket with my friend and my mom. We bought some bread, milk, and apples. The apples were sweet. We also bought some juice. The total was $85. My mom paid. I felt happy because I helped my mom carry the shopping bag. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.